Thank you for watching this HooptieDoodle edition of how to make some linkage for your suspension. Alright, so a trip to a metal supply joint today, and we've got some stuff to continue our project with. We've got some 10 gauge flat stock here. That's going to be for our seat. And we've got some 3/16 inch flat stock, and that is for our linkage for our suspension. And that's what I'm going to work on today. And how did I know to choose 3/16 inch? Well, that's what this is, and that's what the suspension came with originally. So we're just going to go with that logic. Can't go wrong with what they used before, right? So currently on the suspension, I've got my linkages here mocked up out of wood, and so I'm just going to use these as my templates and make them out of metal. And here it is in a very theoretical position being employed on the bike. Thank you for watching this linkage video today. I hope you enjoyed it. And keep in mind, this could be applied to other things as well. There's the same sort of technique. You could make something like brackets for a headlight, for example. So keep that in mind on your own builds. And keep on wrenching, because it's so much fun, right? Aren't we having fun? And next video, we're going to be putting together the hoop we made in the previous video. We're going to take that and we're going to weld it onto the swing arm, and that will be exciting.